So for today, we're going to do something using a small fork that you might have at home and green and pink Play-Doh, okay? Green and pink. So first we're going to make this ball here. It's called sphere, okay? This shape here. And to do that, you're just going to use a little bit of green and you're going to put in the middle of your hand and you're going to use the other hand to twist it. When you start to twist both hands together, it becomes to shape like a ball. Ball, like a sphere, look. Very good, right? Now we have two because I did one before. Two balls. I'm going to use this one here to make like the shape of a snake. So instead of twisting all the sides, I just twist on those sides here. So front and back, 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 front and back. Wow, see? I think it looks very, very good. Now I'm going to start to make the shape like the leaves. I just will add this corner here. And I can use the fork to make the shape of the leaves. Now you know. I have to do the other one. I can make some points here. What do you think? Looks okay? Remember, you have to wash this before you use to eat, okay? See, that is something. We're going to finalize this work of art. I'm going to make a rose, okay? So we're going to make a circle again. Put between your hands and all sides, front and back, side and side, front and back, one side, the other side. And now I have a very big circle. See? It's going to become something very nice. Now, I start to make the shape of this flower here. And you know what I do? This. Wow, that is a wonderful flower. We just used a fork and our creativity. See you for the next class using Play-Doh. Bye bye.